Look at this beautiful beard or hair trimmer that I have right here. Super old school looking, but very, very advanced technologically because of course you do have the USB-C right there to charge it. So you can use it charged while it's fully charged, of course, but you can also use it, and that doesn't happen often, you can also use it while it's wired into the wall. Let's say the battery is completely at zero, you need to plug it in, you can still use it plugged in. Great for precision, detailed work, and I'll show you why. Because, well, first of all, when you turn it on, you do have that one button, very simple, one button right here. You have that big screen that tells you how much battery you've got left. Right now I'm fully charged, 99% right there. Love the open concept. Look at that. We don't often see this, meaning usually all of this is usually covered in other types of these trimmers, but right there, look at that, you can actually see the entire thing working there. So I think it looks really, really cool. It looks very industrial looking, but let's talk about how precision or how precise can actually go with hair. It does come with some of these kind of like guides. You've got 1 millimeter to 4 millimeter right here, or you can use it bare. I like to use it bare, and I'll show you what I mean by that. When I'm doing, let's say you want to do some contour work, I could actually use it this way, just like that. But the best way, as we all know, would actually be doing like contour work, just like, look at this. Super, super precise. You can literally just do a little rectangle. Of course, I'm not gonna leave it like that, but as you can see, it's very, very fast. It is spinning super quickly, so that makes it, it's not snagging the hair. I could go as fast or as slow as I want, and I'll be able to do exactly the trim, the cut, the precision, detailed lining that I want to do. Look at that, perfect every single time. And this is like skin, super soft to the skin now, and I'm sure you can see all that hair right there that I've actually cut. Works on, you know, any part of the body. Love the fact that it's so fast, because as you know, something that's not as fast will usually not be able to follow your speed and snag and pull that hair, and this is where you're getting, you know, yourself hurt. But this one is actually super nice to use. Love the size of it as well. It's got a nice weight because this is metal. Yes, doesn't look like it, but it is fully metal, so it does have a nice weight, but it's still a very small portable unit, which is great for traveling, of course. And also, let's talk how great it looks just sitting there as well. Super cool.